here in Geneva Gardens, Quezon City to show you this modern, contemporary home. But first, click subscribe and follow us on our social media accounts. And please visit our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph for complete property listings. Let's begin our tour. For this property, we have a wide frontage zone around 16 meters and it's facing northeast. Napakalapad nitong property. We have a 3-vehicle carport on this side and itong ating garden or pwede nyo gamitin as your entertainment or parang receiving kapag ka meron kayong visitors. If you want to maintain your privacy dun sa loob ng bahay nyo, no? Okay, unahin natin to. By the way, for our flooring, we have rough textured homogeneous tiles. So we have this space for your 3-vehicle carport. And on that space, we have yung inyong magiging auxiliary or dirty kitchen. Pero mamaya na yan, ikutin muna natin to. Your porch, and ito yung space ninyo for a landscape garden. Well, you can spruce this up and gawin yung magandang landscape garden or rockscape. Well, depende sa inyo, no? Pwede na kayo maglagay ng water feature in this area. Okay, so currently we have this sand and ayan, you have the opportunity na pagandahin yan based on your design na prefer ninyo. We also have this mirror panel dito sa inyong stairs and allows lots of natural light do sa inyong stairs and your receiving area. So in this space, we have around 1 to 2 meters setback from our perimeter wall. We have this access going here, so we have this space pwede nyo gamitin as your lanay. And mapapansin nyo rin itong ating mga outdoor units for your aircon. So kasama yung mga aircon units dito sa selling price ng inyong magiging bahay. So in this space, you have pwede nyong gamitin as your drying area after the laundry. For our flooring, we have rough texture porcelain tiles. Para mas madali kumilos if you have, alam nyo na kung gagawin in the future, magsasampay or maglalaba kayo or kung umuulan man in this area, at least hindi kayo madulas. You have another access going to your dining space through this sliding door. And mapapansin nyo rin itong inyong griller. So we have this counter, tiled finish with marble grain design, and ito yung inyong built-in griller. Kasama na yan sa selling price. Napakaganda na. So you have your LPG, tapos pwede nyo i-connect yan sa LPG ninyo. Ganda. For the brand, Electrolux SUS304 finish. Ganda. Okay, mapapansin nyo medyo maluwag in this space. Perfect spot to dry your laundry in this area. So ito yung inyong magiging counter para sa inyong laundry. We have granite finish. Your stainless steel. Currently medyo magulo lang. Nandito yung mga cleaning materials ng ating caretaker na napakasipag. Okay. And in this area naman, ito naman yung magiging room ninyo for the staff. We have this spacious room. Kasyang-kasya yung 2 person to 3. Their own toilet and bath. Okay, and depende silang window. And kung ayaw nyo naman yung maamoy yung niluluto nyo sa loob ng bahay, coming from your main kitchen, you have this space. Ito yung inyong auxiliary or dirty kitchen area. What we like in this space, we have this covered trellis or itong inyong acrylic with metal frame. Of course, for all metal frame, meron din tayo dito nakalagay na downspout para kapag ka umuulan yung tubig, hindi kumakalat dito sa inyong tiles or hindi madulas in this space. We have your gas burner, built-in gas burner, and your sink. Okay, so tapos na tayo in this area. Punta naman tayo sa inyong main door. Okay, so dito sa inyong main door, we have your solid wood Nara with your stainless pull handles and your modern door lock. And we also have your pivot hinge kasi napakabigat nitong inyong main door, and at the same time, it gives you a grandeur vibe before tayo pumasok sa inyong main door. Pasok tayo, and welcome to your home. As we enter dito sa inyong main entrance, you will be greeted by an open layout design dito sa inyong ground level. First is your foyer or your receiving area with your double height ceiling. Your built-in chandelier and a cove ceiling design allows lots of natural light coming from your fixed window dito sa inyong stairs area. Ganda, no? Gandang tignan talaga kapag naghalo na yung warm light and yung natural light. Gandang tignan sa loob ng bahay. And by the way, on the right side, we have your accent wall, floor to ceiling. Ang eleganteng tignan, no? It complements well dito sa ating Nara stairs, ganun din with our handrails. Okay, so ito yung inyong receiving area, perfect spot to receive your guests. In this area, we have your split type AC. We also have itong inyong accent wall, perfect spot naman ito para sa inyong television set kung gusto niyo maglagay dito ng entertainment area. And adjacent dito sa inyong receiving, of course, is your spacious living area. Ayan, hanggang dito yung inyong living area, covered nito or symmetrical dito sa inyong cove ceiling design. Napakaluwag ng inyong living area. By the way, for our flooring, we have porcelain tiles, high gloss finish with marble grain design. And kung mapapansin nyo, in this area, napakaliwanag because of these sliding doors and floor to ceiling window with powdered coated aluminum frame and glass with built-in screen para mas mag-circulate yung hangin, no, in this area. And before tayo pumunta dito sa inyong kitchen or dining area, tingnan muna natin itong inyong first bedroom. And by the way, in each door dito sa loob ng bahay, we have your automated door lock. Of course, with option for a manual key rin. So if you have elderlies with you or pwede nyo gamitin to as your office or kids room, we have this space. Your AC, the location of your bed frame dito sa lugar nitong nakalagay na table. A transom window para may privacy coming from your 3-vehicle carport. Floor to ceiling window. And your ensuite toilet and bath. Cool brand for our water closet and your lavatory. So coming from your bedroom 1, dito na ulit tayo sa inyong living area. Ito naman yung inyong powder room. For your powder room, we have Cool brand for our lavatory. Ganon din, lavatory and water closet. Floor to ceiling tiled wall. Napakaganda ng tiles na ginamit nila, no? We also have your exhaust fan. Ganda ng ambient lighting in this area. Your huge vanity mirror. By the way, para doon sa kanilang mga indoor doors, lahat solid wood din yung gamit nila. Napakaluwag nitong inyong living area. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, pwede nyong mag-experiment. Pwede kayo mag-experiment on to whatever yung prefer nyo na set up for a living space. Kunyari man gusto nyo maglagay ng piano nyo in this area. Tapos, you have your huge couch with rug. Pakagandang tingnan. Kasyang-kasya din dito yung inyong huge Christmas tree. Adjacent dito sa inyong living is your dining. And by the way, we have your another AC dito sa inyong living. So we have 1, 2, and 3 AC dito sa inyong... So each area you're receiving, may isang AC. Ganon din with our living and dining. So bago tayo pumunta dito sa dining, punta muna tayo dito sa heart of the house. Siyempre, bukod sa atin, meron importanteng part itong bahay nyo, itong inyong dining area para sa mga mahilig magluto. Okay, what we love dito sa inyong main kitchen, lots of counter space for food preparation area. Lahat on each side, meron kayong counter. And we have this bonus, itong inyong huge island counter. Pwede nyo gamitin as your informal dining or breakfast nook. So, kasya-kasya dito yung 3 to 4 kitchen stools ninyo. Quick breakfast, no? Bago pumasok sa school or work. It also comes with your base cabinets in this area. So, lots of food preparation space for your main kitchen. At hindi lang yan, it also comes with lots of base and hanging cabinets. Kung ganong karami yung inyong countertop, ganun din karami yung base cabinets niyo kasi nasa ilalim ng countertop itong inyong mga base cabinets. By the way, for our counter, we have quartz finish with marble grain design. Okay, so tingnan natin yung kanilang cabinet. Okay, so dito sa cabinet nyo, we have itong inyong mga pull rack para mas madali kayo mag-assemble ng mga ginagamit nyo sa kitchen. Kunyari man yung mga saucers ninyo, tama ba? Yung mga plates. Ayan, so we have your mga stainless pull rack. Mas madali mag-organize. Soft close hinges. Almost ceiling na yung cabinet niyo, so walang sayang dito na space. We also have your 2-door refrigerator, Samsung brand. This is brand new. And in this area naman, for our appliances, kasama yung inyong oven, your 4 gas burners, your range hood, and your microwave. Talagang kompleto na. So, yung triangle method natin in this area, kung paano kayo gagalaw habang nagluluto kayo or habang nagpe-prepare kayo ng food, napaka-seamless or napakaluwag gamitin. Kahit 2 to 3 person yung gumagamit itong inyong main kitchen. Because lots of counter space, ang ganda rin ng mga pwesto ng appliances kung saan kayo manggagaling kapag nagluluto kayo. And we also have these drawers. Soft close drawers for your cutleries or utensils. And we also have this huge farm style sink, SUS 304 material or food grade material. Napakalaki ng sink nila. You also have your faucet. Lots of counter space. Hanggang dito yan in this area. So mas madali mag-organize nung inyong gamit. And speaking of organize, we have your walk-in pantry para mas madali mag-organize nung inyong dry goods or canned goods. And by the way, even for this door, we have itong inyong modern door lock. So kung ayaw nyo naman maamoy yung niluluto nyo dito sa inyong main kitchen, link ito dito sa inyong auxiliary kitchen para mas madali yung workflow coming from your dirty kitchen to your main kitchen. We have this access. Ganda, no? So we have these 2 swing doors, ganun din in this area. So dito tayo dadaan para kunyari man magsiserve kayo in the future sa relatives ninyo or visitors. You have an idea. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa inyong another swing door. Ito na yung inyong formal dining area. For the formal dining area, it can cater up to even 12-seater dining table. Ganun kaluwag yung inyong dining area. Adjacent is your sliding door with an access dito sa back part nitong inyong property. For our ceiling, we have cove ceiling design with an accent light already installed. By the way, for our lighting na ginamit dito sa loob ng bahay, these are 3-way. So kapag pinindot mo siya ulit, pwede ka mamili kung anong color yung ilaw na gusto mo. Super white or ordinary white and warm light. You also have this huge window. Kitang-kita yung natural light. And by the way, again, we have powdered coated aluminum for our window and sliding door frame. Okay, so tapos na tayo dito sa inyong Ground level, akyat naman tayo sa itaas. For our stairs, we have solid wood Nara and porcelain tiles for our riser para dito sa frame ng inyong stairs. We have your tangile wood for our handrails, your stainless balustrades and tempered glass for additional safety feature. We also have itong inyong step lights installed with sensor. So kapag madilim, umiilaw yan kapag nadaan kayo. Lots of natural light in this area, kaya napaka eco-friendly ng bahay because of your huge window. So di nyo na kailangan gumamit ng ilaw dito kapag daytime. Okay, so dito sa second level, for our flooring, we have porcelain tiles with wood grain design. Okay, so we have this indoor balcony with your commanding view dito sa inyong receiving area. Ang ganda ng chandelier ninyo. Nagpapaliwanag dito sa inyong hallway sa second level. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 bedrooms dito sa second level. So total of 5 bedroom mo nyo nasa baba. Okay, so we have this basketball court, or I mean your bedroom 2 or the master bedroom. Imagine, napakalaki nung kanilang master bedroom, di ba? Pwede ka na mag-free throw sa taas. Okay, you have your chandelier dito sa inyong huge master bedroom. Location of your custom size bed or master bedroom or king size bed, no? Talaga nalilito na ako. For our flooring, in each bedroom, we have laminated wood with wood grain design. Your split type AC, huge window, allows lots of natural light. Facing ito dito sa harapan ng property ninyo. We also have an access to your balcony. We have this wrap-around balcony dito sa inyong harapan, which is master bedroom lang may access. Frameless tempered glass for the handrails. Napaka-elegante nung master bedroom. So pwede kayo mag-assemble ng anteroom or waiting area in this space. Your walk-in closet with your island counter with drawer in this side. Okay, ganda ng vanity area ninyo, no? Your head to foot. Mirror nyo, yung tall mirror nyo for your OOTDs. See-through cabinets for your dress and others. Adjacent, of course, dito sa inyong walk-in closet is your master toilet and bath. You have your dual sink or his or her sink, cool brand for our lavatory. Ganon din with our fixture or itong inyong mga ginamit na faucet. We have Cefa brand. Cool brand para sa inyong bathtub, and we also have yung inyong multi-point heater already installed. Ayan. So para dito sa inyong bathtub, your water closet, and your shower space. Tignan naman natin yung inyong bedroom 3. For our bedroom 3, ganda rin no size. Location of your king size bed. You have your split type AC. You also have an access dito sa inyong lounge. If kunyari man i-maintenance yung inyong AC, you have that access. Your split type. What we love or what we like in this mga rooms nila, lahat meron silang area for the walk-in closet, kaya malinis tignan at napakaluwag. So you have your cabinet, the shower space, your water closet, and your lavatory with provision for multi-point heater. Coming from your bedroom 3, hallway, your bedroom 4. Okay, for the bedroom 4, facing at the back of the property, well, kayo na mamili kung gusto nyong position for your bed frame. For example, in this area, you have your access to your balcony at the back of the property, windows for natural light. Again, your walk-in closet, the shower space, your water closet, and your lavatory. Lahat Cool brand. And dito sa dulo ng hallway, you have this sliding cabinet. Pwede nyo gamitin as para sa inyong mga linens. And lastly, your bedroom 5. Again, we have 3 windows, an access to the balcony at the back of the property. So medyo mas maliwanag dito on this side. Again, your walk-in closet, your shower space, your water closet, and your lavatory with multi-point heater installed. And that concludes our open house tour for today of this brand new modern contemporary home located here in Geneva Gardens, Quezon City. If you think this is the right home for you, you may contact us anytime at the numbers listed below the screen. For more details, visit our social media accounts and our website. Again, my name is Dean of Homescape Realty, your guide to your real estate needs. Thank you and see you next week.